Ogbono is one of the soups that constantly reminded me that I am the salt of the earth, but my grandma's fail-proof recipe saved me. Let's go! So in this recipe, all you need is your crayfish, your fish, your seasoning, your okporoko if you want, the chief ingredients, ogbono, vegetable, and your pepper. So I used to wonder, like, why growing up, I used to wonder, why is this, like, why are they melting the pepper, frying the onion, and then take it down to dissolve the, like, it was a whole lot of process for me, but they no born you well, me no follow am. Like, if you want to have peace with my mom, you have to do like that step by step. You cannot put the crayfish before the pepper or the onion before the, like, you have to do it the way she's doing it, like the way she normally does it. And you see that thing you saw earlier, it's not onion, no. I just hope my grandma in the village will not catch me. That's garlic. It's crazy, but I want to try something new. Like, that's one thing I like about staying alone. Because if you try this at home, you're gonna have a lot of problem. So you just have to wait for this to simmer a bit. Like, you don't have to pour in all the water at once. Hear me, and hear me for good. Put your water small. Like, if you know, like, if you are not sure about the source of the ogbono, don't go ahead and pour all the water you want. Like, first of all, just add in a little bit, like, sizable amount of water that even if even if something happen, you can still manage it. Do you understand? And this one is just a pot for one. I'm not even cooking for two, I'm cooking for one, because if I cook if I cook for 5 or 6, how am I going to cook for you guys tomorrow? So I have to make something just enough for today. And as you can see, it's nothing complicated, nothing hard. And one thing I like about cooking alone is that nobody is there to tell me, you've not put in the onions. You have to put in the onions before the pepper. And you have to put the pepper. I've been doing it anyhow. Okay, sorry. That is against the chief. How do you people call it? The chef's whatever rules and regulation. I don't even know if they have. And thank goodness I never called myself a chef on this platform, because I know a lot of people are going to come after me. I'm not a chef, but I just know my onions. Like, you cannot test my food and not okay, let's hold it right there. Like, today I don't even know, like, I'm just feeling so what am I feeling? I don't even know. Like, I feel so happy knowing that this challenge is coming to an end. Like, trial this week, I'm not even feeling the vibe, and the fact that YouTube feels like she cannot cook. Because tell me why YouTube refused to push out my food videos. Are they afraid that I don't know how to make Nigerian dishes or what? Oh, by the way, this is scently that I'm using because I realize I'm talking a lot and I missed most of the steps, or at least you can see it. It's nothing complicated. I used scent leaf instead of ugu and bitter leaf that you are used to, and it came out so well. Like, it's so flavorful. Like, it's so flavorful. It's so good. You can try. Thanks for watching. See you on my next one. Catch you for